I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the phone and removing the SIM tray. This prevents short circuits. Next, heat the back glass to about 80-90 degrees C to loosen the adhesive. Use a heat gun or pad and move in small circles. Once warm, place a suction ring near the edge and insert a thin pick. Gently pry while heating keeps the glue pliable, so you avoid cracking. Work one side at a time and stop if you feel resistance. That pressure tells you to reheat and proceed carefully. With the back open, remove the midframe screws and lift the shield to expose connectors. Organize screws by length so reassembly is accurate. First, disconnect the battery connector to isolate power. This prevents shorting while you work. Then, heat the battery area slightly and pull the adhesive tabs slowly at low angle. If tabs break, use a plastic card and gentle, repeated heating to separate the battery. Finally, lift the battery straight up. You must never bend or puncture it, because that risks. Place the replacement battery in the same orientation, connect the battery connector, and power on briefly to confirm the phone boots. This validates the install before you seal. Once confirmed, power down and apply fresh adhesive strips or thin, manufacturer-grade glue along the back frame. Align the back glass precisely, then press evenly to seat the adhesive. After reassembly, charge to about 50% and test touch, cameras, LTE, and sensors. If the phone fails to boot, check the battery connector and all flex cables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.